I said, now for center of the farm, you harvest the beans. Beans. Okay, this side of the farm. Okay, that place where spray. All this I never they do. Because I they see flower harvester. Okay. No need to water the beans now because you don't they dry small. I see the producer. Oh, I still get flower. See. See also. Which temperature where the rock one? When they go water them, some places safe, the beans never. Some places not just flower. You see, like this kind of place, you need to water them. Like this center now. See the beans. See the beans. Now the center of this place, you just pick up one. Maybe some of them don't dry like that. Yeah. See the beans. Some of them don't dry. Like this place. This place. Like this place now. This place safe. The place where you plug the beans on mine. Now that place where they first plant. This one's. This ones then the flower just they come out. This ones then they never. See this ones. Flowers they just they come out. This ones then the flower they come out. See center of here. You go see water the beans. These ones then they never started to produce like that. See this ones then their beans like small. Flower. What is they kill like that? No, I say what is they hit like that for your motor? Okay, I see say. Eh? Yes. Thank you. Welcome. That's the beans farm. All these sides are the beans farm.